Solve the equation. Solve the equation. 3 over 4x is equals to 5 over 20. 3 over 4x equals to 5 divided by 20. Solution. Now we have 3 over 4x equals to 5 divided by 20. There's a fraction in the left-hand side. We also have a fraction. This is left-hand side and this is right. But the fraction at the right-hand side is a proper fraction and we can reduce it. So let's reduce the right-hand side first. How do we reduce this fraction? There is a common factor. The highest common factor that we divide both numerator and denominator without any remainder is 5. So we say 5 divided by 5, that is 1. And 20 divided by 5, that's 4. So it means that the right hand side we have 1 over 4. So the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. So by cross multiply, what do we have? We have 3x times 4 equals to what? 1 times 4. 3x times 4 equals to 1 times 4. What is 3x times 4? That is 12x. 12x equals to 1 times 4, that's 4. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is a number in front of x and is 12. So we divide both sides by 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 1. So x equals to what? Here we can reduce 4 divided by 12 is a proper fraction. So we can reduce this. There's a common factor for both numerator and denominator. And the highest common factor is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 12 divided by 4, we have 3. So it means that x equals to 1 divided by 3. That's 1 over 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.